Let's say you're interested in what the average annual wage is for a specific occupation or set of occupations. To look at this, let's go to the occupations page. Here you'll see a table that includes a list of occupations, their estimated employment, and their average annual wage. You'll also see a column here for percent of living wage. Living wage is what a single individual must earn to cover the costs of their family's minimum basic needs. Here, the percent of living wage is calculated by dividing the average annual wage by the annual living wage, which you can find here in the North Star data. Living wage differs by family composition. So you can find this filter here at the bottom of the page for family composition. Currently, we're looking at one working adult with 0 children, but we could also look at different iterations of what a family composition could be. Let's switch to 2 working adults with 2 children. You'll see here that the average annual wage stays the same for the individual, but the annual living wage increases dramatically. Let's look at 2 specific occupations. So by going to the occupation filter, you can select the down arrow here to scroll through a list of occupations, or you can search for a specific occupation. Let's look at registered nurses. And let's also look at nursing assistants. You'll see that the table only shows the specific occupations that you select in the filter. You'll see here that registered nurses make on average nearly $80,000 a year, compared to nursing assistants who make about $30,000 a year. And when you compare this to the living wage, actually both of these are below what is considered the living wage for 2 working adults with 2 children. You can also look at entry wage and experience wage. So if you select entry wage, you'll see that registered nurses are only making about $60,000 annually, and nursing assistants are making $25,000 annually.